What's up, YouTube? Collina Racing here. Before today's topic, let's start the video the right way with a co-star. I know, you need an exhaust. I'm still not sure if do the muffler delete or just buy a whole exhaust. So, today's topic, my car is leaking oil. Yeah, I'm gonna show you right away where. Let me pop the hood. So yeah, right there. So yeah, I did some research and I think it's the oil filter housing gasket that goes between here that I need to replace. So it's not that hard. I think I just have to take out these bolts and another one that is back there. I'm gonna try to do it myself, but as you can see, it's being a bad weather in here. So if not, just take it to the shop when they do it for me. I know it's very dirty, the engine bay, but I don't know why this car over here gets so dirty. But yeah. My M55 Bmw E90 is leaking oil now. So just when I was just about to buy some stuff to make more power on the E90, this happens. But you know, I have to stop everything. I have to stop the car. I cannot use it like that. I'm gonna be fixing that. I ordered the part already. It should be here tomorrow, I think. So let's fix it. That's first than any part, any upgrade I can do. The J4 can wait, the exhaust can wait, but the oil leak, that has to be ASAP. So if tomorrow I got the part, I'm gonna be fixing up. If I can do it myself, depending on the weather. If not, then I'm gonna take it to the Bmw dealership. I don't think so. No, not to the Bmw dealership. I heard some other YouTubers that said that they charge $1,200 for fix that, and now I'm not willing to pay that. I'm just gonna do it myself. If I can find someone else that can do it cheaper, and then I'll do it with them, but I'm not gonna pay $12,000 for a part that costs like 50 bucks, 15 bucks. So well, that's the update of the build of the BMW E90 S-Drive. Stay tuned, more videos coming soon, more DIYs, more performance part that I'm gonna be installing on this car. So make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a video. But it is what it is, guys. Let's keep it up. I'm gonna fix it soon and we're gonna have so much fun. The winter is almost over, so I'm gonna be going to the track and taking my car to see what kind he does on the quarter miles or the 8 miles, I don't know.